Hey everybody, it's Christina again. We're about halfway up the mountain. This is our friend Wendy. Hey Wendy! Wendy's helping us out and she's actually driving so we can look at this. Oh my god! Oh, I want to Julie Andrews the fuck out here. Wow! Wow! Oh my god. Oh, that feels like you're gonna drive right off the road. Oh. Hey everybody, this is Christina.
Hey, I'm Kieran.
And you're watching Shock Munch. Holy crap, you guys. We just had Adventure Week.
It was crazy.
We just adventured our butts off in Colorado. This is the first week-long vacation that we've taken in years.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna show you what happened, man.
Yeah.
Where are we, honey?
We're in Huntsville, Utah.
Huntsville, Utah. We're on vacation. We're staying at this adorable Airbnb. We're on our way to Denver to go camping with my sister.
We're staying in this little hut.
Check out this view. Before we go to Denver, we're probably going to go to Salt Lake City and explore a little bit because we haven't been down there before.
Should be a good time.
Yeah, so come along with us while we show you how the Heartnut's vacation our asses off. I'm blinded by the sun. I've got no idea if I'm even in frame, if you're in frame. First day of vacation, we were dog park hopping and bar hopping. We're loving every minute of it. Aw, look at this homie. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Good girl.
We're on our last night here at the mini dome.
Yeah, this thing is so cute. It's been a wonderful stay. And you guys, this view is spectacular. So we're gonna bunker in by the fire. We're gonna sit here with rum and our dog and enjoy the night. Stunning. Oh, beer first. Would it be funny if it fell? Well, the one already did. Nice. Well, I feel like it's not camping unless something hits the dirt. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
What you searching for?
Foxtails.
You finding them?
Yeah.
What you doing? What you doing? Too deep for you, homie? Well, first one up. Get to enjoy some morning coffee. pup for a walk, so she's nice and tired. This is the life.
I have been to Colorado as a child, but never as an adult. And I'm so excited we're gonna see the Red Rocks Amphitheater for the first time. And yes, I'm out of breath. Damn you, altitude sickness. But yeah, we're recovering just fine. Ooh, let's go check it out. Now we're gonna go to Lookout Mountain, and we haven't been there either, so yeah, we're just stoked, man. Yeah, more exploring.
Adventuring. That would be awesome.
Okay. What'd you think, hon?
Very cool.
What'd you see out there? Mountains?
Yeah. Saw all the mountains. Lookout Mountains.
Awesome commentary, honey. Thank you very much. Insightful and profound.
Yes, I do.
We have hiked less than 0.88.
20 feet.
We have hiked 20 feet and we're out of breath because of the altitude. So, you guys, it's about that time. We know where we're at.
What time is it?
About to kick this altitude in the balls. My sister just said to her kids, "Ooh, Jada and Jackson, come this way. There's dead animals."
Let's go check them out.
Let's go check them out. This is Christina reporting on the scene. We heard my sister say something about dead animals. Steve, what's going on?
The kids are heading over there to the building where they have taxidermy animals and checking out the livestock out here.
Nice. Now where are we off to, honey?
We're going to the brewery.
We're going to the brewery. Yes, we're on the keto diet, but guess what? The keto diet can suck it. Little Mama has earned her beer. Cheers, yeah. The hardest part about the keto diet and traveling has been the long travel days when we're in the car for more than 7 hours, because it's almost impossible to find anything healthy.
Yeah.
It's all junk food. So we've just been eating Taco Bell and just going with it.
Yeah, the healthiest option out there.
Yeah. Oh my God, if Taco Bell hears you say that, they're gonna be like, oh, we should sponsor these yahoos.
That's right.
Hey everybody, this is our last day of our adventure in Colorado before we turn around and drive home tomorrow. It has been hot. So yeah, so today we are going to escape the heat, and where are we going, baby?
We're going to Mount Evans.
Yeah. Alright everybody, we did it! Woo! Wendy, thank you so much for driving. That was
My favorite thing.
that was oh man, these roads are something else. Oh God. Oh God, Wendy, don't die up here. Oh yeah, we're safe. Holy. Welcome, Wendy. Yay, I'm home. Wow. We're legit on top of the world right now. Wow, so cool. What do you think, homie? Having fun? Taking some pics? We are wrapping up our week-long vacation in Colorado. So we have about 5 hours or so left to go to get home. So we are exhausted. We're stinky because we've been camping. And ready to get home.
Yes.
So there's a couple things in the blog post I'll link down below where I go into more detail about what it was like to be on the keto diet. We did not beat ourselves up. We knew that this week was going to be our cheat week, but I'll go into more examples of the successes and the failures that we had for keto. I'm also going to review the campsite that we stayed at in Lakewood, Colorado, which was roughly 30 minutes from Denver. It had a lot of charms, but it definitely had some pros and cons.
Yeah.
So I will go into more detail about what we experienced, what we liked, and what we did not like, because I don't know if we camp there again on purpose. And the third thing I'm going to talk about in the blog post is going to be how we dealt with altitude sickness, not only for ourselves, but for this little cutie right here. I did some research to try to help minimize the effects of altitude sickness for dogs, and I'll go into more detail about that below as well. All right, you guys, so that's what happened during our vacation.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions about traveling while being on the keto diet, altitude sickness, or the campground that we stayed at, please leave a comment below.
If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want a notification whenever we post something new, hit that little bell thing.
Us road-weary travelers, we're going to go ahead and sign off for now, and we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
All right.
Shock Munch!
Yes.